National Weather Forecast here, and we're going to be talking about our temperatures right now. So around Seattle, we have the 45 degree mark through the 51 degree mark. It's going to be getting a little bit cooler during the day. We also have around Wales, North Dakota. We have around 19 degrees, but it will be getting a little bit warmer. We also have around the Los Angeles around 52 today, and we'll be going up to about 61, and tonight we'll be going to about in the 50s again. Phoenix is around about 50 degrees today. It's about the high. We also have around Albuquerque, 34 degrees. Lubbock, about 35. Fort Worth, it's around the 41 degree mark, and tonight it will be cooling off. Same as Dallas. Oklahoma City, around 39 degrees, and will be going about lower tonight. All of this over here will be changing kind of during the night, and I can show you some of why it is changing during the night. So let's look at our temp map. So it's gonna be coming a bit warmer today, but then we have this gust coming over here, and it's a lot of cooler air that is going to be coming tonight, which will cool down the atmosphere. Houston around 46, and tonight will be around in the 30s, possibly in the lower 20s. Chattanooga in Knoxville area, we have around 45 degrees. Nashville, we have 46 degrees, and we'll be getting in the high 20s today. Memphis around 43, and we'll be getting in the lower 30s. We also have around the Jacksonville area. It gets a little bit warmer down here because it's right next to the water, and there's a lot of precipitation that just happened here a couple of days ago. So Jacksonville is around 60 degrees. We have Hollywood, Florida, around 72 degrees. Tampa around 65, and it will be warming up today. So we also have Port St. Lucie, which is 80 degrees. And it will be getting up around 5 degrees extra. We also have up north, we have Chicago around 28 degrees. Minneapolis, St. Paul around 34 degrees. We also have Fargo at around 28 degrees. Bismarck about 27. And we also got some I guess the Detroit area is going to be around 34 degrees. So it's going to be getting a little bit warmer today, but it's only going to be about 5 degrees warmer for about an hour long. Then we are going to have some drops going right down. Our temperatures for Boston, 45 degrees. Philadelphia, around 45 degrees. Baltimore and Washington, D.C., around 43 degrees. And we'll be getting warmer today. It will have a little cool air coming in, but it won't be as bad. We also have the Charlotte area around 46 degrees. New York City area around 41 degrees, and go in the higher 30s pretty much today. We also have some pretty good forecast today don't seem that bad to me. We have some got a couple storms coming around, and we have some pretty high winds today too. We also, first of all, we have this storm going right down through Columbus near area, and it looks like it's coming towards the east to me, going towards Washington D.C. And we also have around the Washington D.C. area a storm already happening, and it looks like to me it's just all forming in a circle. And so it's doing this. Then we have some more storms. We actually have a huge storm that is causing a lot of precipitation coming right up. And so let's see here. Around New York area, they just had a lot of precipitation, which is probably the reason why it's pretty warm today. Around 7 a.m. tomorrow is the next time the sun will be seen there. Otherwise, it will be rain and cloudy. And then our pressure is 30.01 inches. It also, so this big storm is going to be coming right over because of these strong winds, as you can see, coming from the ocean. It's pushing this storm a little bit this way, but now we have stronger winds pushing it this way. And it's going to be going up to around Burlington. And it might even go to Portsmouth, New Hampshire. So, just watch out, stay on the roads, watch your driving. We also are going to be having some warnings. There's probably a lot of floods out there today. So, I already see a flood near Sand Lake area. It's not that bad to me. We're kind of in the New England area, but it's probably a little bit, maybe a couple inches, kind of a flood maybe. It's probably like a flash flood. We also have a flash flood near the area of Baltimore. And it's going right now, and it's going to be remaining till the 16th of December, 10 a.m., so pretty much an hour and 8 minutes remaining. It's a minor flooding, so it's aerial flood. We also have this other flood that I've been talking about the past few days. That it's a big long flood that's going on, and it can get up to 16.7 feet. So we all need to watch out. And please, if you live in the area of Washington, D.C., Baltimore, or any metro populated city that is not across the river, around the back of Baltimore, the west side of Baltimore, please, I would be careful. I would go somewhere, because it's very dangerous. And the flood right next to it can get up to 22.3 feet by tomorrow morning. So please, be careful, have great driving, because it's very dangerous. We also have some floods down here around just comes down here, around 1 to 2 inches. It's not that bad. It's more like a flash flood. We also have we also have this wildfire going on. We have one going in the Yosemite Valley. So around the California, we have, y'all have heard about these California floods that's happened on TV. Many people have having to like go and escape their house because it's gotten so bad. We have this wind pressure I forgot to tell you about. It's all gathering up together. All this moisture is gathering up together, which spawns in these other storms I forgot to tell you. So beware about if you're near Portland. But we have some fires going on. We have one near the Yosemite Valley, and the village right next to it is also having a fire too. So beware if you're going to, visit Yosemite National Park. There is a forest fire over there. So please be careful. We also have another forest fire in the Nevada area. It is on the Indian reservation. So, just beware the Indians that live on there. So please be safe and do well. That's pretty much all we have today. There are no earthquakes, y'all, no aviations, outlooks, or warnings other than floods and wildfires. Thank you guys for watching Wilburn Weather Forecast.